Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use the sound recognition feature on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to use the sound recognition feature on your iPhone is swipe down the control center, press and hold the control center, then click on add the control. Once you click on add the control, the next thing is search for recognize music. So click on it. Then this is going to add the sound recognition feature to your iPhone. Then to not use the sound recognition feature on your iPhone, each time you have a music playing and you want to identify the name of the music, all you simply need to do is locate and click on the sound recognition feature on your iPhone. Now go ahead and play any sound. You see that? This can easily recognize the name of the song and then the artist. Just go ahead and click on the name of the song, and this is going to open it on Shazam or on Apple Music, and that's it. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.